As your hips start gliding toward the back, bend your knees. Undulation points. Chest slides forward. Chest slides up. Upper abs contraction, mid abs contraction, and pelvic tug, which is a lower abs contraction. And bend your knees. Release your pelvis toward the back. Straighten your knees, chest forward. Chest up, sink in. Upper abs contraction, mid abs and lower abs contraction simultaneously. Go faster. The wave follows the figure 8 shape. Stabilize your chin, try to minimize movement there. Start the chest circle. As your chest sinks in, it's a series of abdominal contractions. Upper abs, mid abs, lower abs, release your tail.